Here's a great reason to adopt a puppy. It is National Puppy Day. The day brings awareness to the need for homes for orphaned puppies and educates people about the horrors of puppy mills across the country. It was founded by Colleen Paige, a celebrity pet and home lifestyle expert and author who also founded National Cat Day. National Puppy Day is actually considered an international holiday now and has trended worldwide on Twitter since 2012. Canine Companions for Independence is hoping to use this day to raise awareness about what they do. Since 1975, Canine Companions has provided assistance dogs free of charge to recipients. If you want to become a puppy raiser, click here or call 1-800-572-BARK. Kathy Barnes of Tolland and her husband are training a puppy. I volunteered some time. I've gotten a lot of joy out of this puppy, and someone else is going to be a real life out of having an assistance dog. That's a great deal, she said. If you want your photos included in our gallery or if you want us to use them on air, email share61@fox61.com, submit them using the button below, desktop only, or upload them to our Fox 61 News app. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter too using the hashtag #share61.